Hello everyone and welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to solve a very common issue: how to fix slow download speeds on the Telegram app. If your videos and large files are taking forever to download, follow these simple steps to instantly boost your speed. Step 1 is optimizing your app settings. Over time, a heavy cache can slow down Telegram's performance. Open your Telegram app and tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go to Settings and then tap on Data and Storage. First, tap on Storage Usage and hit Clear Cache. This gives the app a much-needed fresh start. Next, we need to maximize your data allowances. Go back to the Data and Storage menu. Under Automatic Media Download, tap on When Using Mobile Data. Make sure your data usage is set to high. Then tap on When Connected to Wi-Fi, and also set this to high. This simple step tells Telegram to utilize your maximum available bandwidth. If you have done this and speeds are still slow, it means Telegram's regional servers are limiting you. Here is the ultimate workaround. Go to the Telegram search bar and type File to Links Bot. Look for the bot icon and tap to open it, then press Start. Now go back to the chat with the file that is downloading slowly. Long press the file, select Forward, and send it to the bot. The bot will instantly reprocess the file and send it right back. When you download this new version, it routes through an optimized server, bypassing the usual speed limits. Your download will finish in a fraction of the time. And that's it. Your Telegram downloads should now be incredibly fast and smooth. If this ClearTask tutorial helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.